So consider the following list of numbers. We've been given a list of numbers here, and using only the numbers in the list above, write down the 3 cube numbers. So remember, a cube number is a number that is being multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can look at an example of 2. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which would give you 8. So we're looking for numbers with the result of a number being times by itself 3 times. So looking through the list again, we can say that 4 isn't going to be there, 25 isn't. Well, 3 times 3 times 3 gives us 27. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. And 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So there are my 3 answers, 27, 64, and 125. A number that is in which is both a square number and a multiple of 9. So it's got to come up in the 9 times table. So there's 2 different ways of looking at it. You can either just look at the square numbers, which would be 4, 25, 36, and 64, and decide which one of those are in the 9 times table, which would be 36. And a number that is a factor of 81, meaning that it'll divide into 81 exactly with no remainders. So you just got to try a couple of these, and the one which you would end up using is 27, because 27 times 3 would give you 81. And then for part B, using only 2 numbers from the list, fill in the spaces in the following statement. Dividing something by something else, and then rounding the answer to the nearest 10 gives an answer of 30. So what we're looking at here is something. If we had something, we divided by something, the answer is roughly 30 when it's rounded to the nearest 10. So again, you might want to just try a number of different examples here. For instance, if you looked at doing 25 divided by 4, you would get 6.25. So we need something with a bigger, which would result in a larger answer than that. And the number you are looking for is 125 divided by 4 would give you an answer of 31.25. So this is approximately, when rounded to the nearest 10, 30.